We're going to learn how to make a chorizo and egg burrito like a boss. Hello again, and welcome to our kitchen. This is one of my sister's favorite breakfasts, a simple chorizo and egg burrito. What we'll need is, depending on the appetite of the person you're cooking for, 2 or 3 eggs. 3 in this case, a tortilla, a little bit of grated cheese. This is Jack and Colby. Some aromatic. I'm going to be using white onion. This household loves white onion. A touch of mayo for the egg scramble, and of course the chorizo. So let's get this started. Put a little butter in the pan. This time it's really just a little. A little bit of chorizo. This is, chorizo comes in both beef and pork. We prefer pork. Now the butter part is totally unnecessary. The chorizo is going to have enough fat in it. You can just cook it in its own fat. But I'm cooking for someone who has exact tastes, and of course I'm willing to accommodate. So just flatten this out a little bit so it has an even surface to cook on. Excuse me a second. That'll get going a little bit, and we'll add the onion. But while that's doing, we'll get started with the eggs. And again, when I say a touch of mayo, I know it sounds a little gross to some, but a touch is really just for 3 eggs. It is just eyeball it a little bit. It's about that much. I include mayo simply to keep them moist and fluffy. I find that works better than the more common milk or cream. Okay, so these this chorizo is ready for some onion. And this is a breakfast burrito, so you don't want to overdo it. And then you want to fully incorporate the mayo into the egg. That will do. When it gets about this consistency, that's when you're going to add the egg. In this case, it's 3 eggs. And from that point on, it's essentially just a scramble. I know that you can see I have overloaded this pan. So we're going to fix that mistake. Fix on the fly. Now, my sister likes her eggs a little closer to well done. So when it gets to that consistency, that's when I add the cheese, nice and melty. Oh, why not? And then just fold it in. I just turned the heat off of these eggs. You can see they're still pretty moist. Put that aside, and let's get on with the tortilla. Just needs to be warmed nicely. I heard that some people eat their tortillas right out of the fridge without even putting heat or put it in the microwave to heat it up. Some people. I'll move this over to see if hopefully this camera can get it. That's essentially it. Then what you do is I'll show you how to fold one. You fold it over almost on like you're cutting it in half or folding it in half. Tuck this part under, fold this part over. As soon as you're finished, almost ready to finish that roll with your middle fingers, just tuck those ends in again, and then just roll, kind of like a spring roll. And that's it. I'll do another one real quick. Same kind of assembly, but I'm going to show you how to roll it one more time. Get the egg in the middle, almost like you're going to fold it in half. You can form the egg that way. Pull it back so it's tight. Fold in the sides. As soon as you're ready to roll over the edge, tuck that in again, and then just roll that bad boy. There you have it, chorizo and egg burritos. You add orange juice and coffee and you're ready to go. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for coming into our kitchen, and thanks for watching.